Welcome to another NIST screencast. This screencast is all about how to make a screencast using Screencast-O-Matic. The first thing to note is that if you go to the Screencast-O-Matic website, it will encourage you to start recording and record your screencast to their site. However, there are issues using JavaScript, and I recommend that you download and install the program. The irony of doing a screencast about screencasting with Screencast-O-Matic is that you can't copy the screen outside that you use for Screencast-O-Matic. So I suggest you watch a very quick demo, which I'll include here.
Welcome to Screencast-O-Matic. With just one click, you can bring up our screen recorder, which you can drag and resize to record anything on your screen. You can also choose from some standard recording sizes, including HD sizes, which work great for uploading to YouTube, or you can record full screen as well. You can choose the microphone that you'd like to use on your computer, and also adjust the recording volume using our auto adjust feature if you'd like to get the optimal recording level for your screencast. If you'd like, you can also record from a webcam. When you're ready to start recording, you click the record button, and all action inside of the frame will be recorded. You can pause and restart if needed, or click Done when you're finished. After you click Done, a new window will appear where you can choose to upload the recording to Screencast-O-Matic.com, YouTube, or save to a video file. If you choose to upgrade to our Pro account, you get a lot more features, like recording the system audio that you hear from your computer speakers, editing tools to cut, zoom, blur, add text overlays, and more. Plus, you can run the recorder when offline outside of the browser. To get a full list of features, go to screencast-o-matic.com/gopro. If you like Screencast-O-Matic, help spread the word with a tweet or like on Facebook. And if you have any problems or questions, please click the Help or Send Feedback links to get help. Thanks for watching.
As you might have guessed, it's kind of hard to do a screencast on Screencast-O-Matic, but there are some cool tools I'd like to feature. One of them is that you can redo from any point. Although I would suggest that you try to just run with it and not get too hung up on all the technical difficulties that you might have to overcome. Second thing is that you can use your computer camera. So as you can see, I can put my face in front of you and make this video a little more personal. And another useful feature that was mentioned earlier is that you can upload directly to YouTube. This becomes very important when you want to send a link. So, for example, my colleague Jason made a video earlier today about printing from your MacBook Air. I might want to include that in my e-learning message, so I would copy that, and then I would go to my email message, highlight the text, create a hyperlink, and paste that hyperlink there, and then the students would have access to that video that was made earlier. Now that you know how to use Screencast-O-Matic, you might want to follow these basic goals for screencasting. The first one being preparing your lesson. Prepare as you normally would and provide an outline for the students. When you're in that outline, you should make sure that you have all your materials and the materials the students will be needing. And those materials might include tools like Today's Meet or Google Docs. You just need to make sure that your students know how to use them. Screencast-O-Matic is a great tool for e-learning or for the flipped classroom, or even for highlighting a specific skill that the students can look at over and over again. Why don't you give it a go?